Actually have by nature thina abantu ama-strands esinawo we-DNA, which is deoxyribonucleic acid. We have 12 strands. So 10 were deactivated somehow because of sometime it has something which is called a wobble. Like our rotate straight yabona rotate ngathi topi.
So do you mean umhlaba u-round or flat?
Bayibiza nge-precision of the equinox. Yathola whereby la emhlabeni wethu kuba dark for 3 days. If asikhona ukumastara imizimba yethu, asikhona asikawa mastara ama-chakra wethu, especially into important makufika leso sikhathi imekhaba, umuntu unemekhaba. Yathola
Yini le?
So imekhaba going mekhaba. Yeah, they can just type that and do their research.
Sitshele yini mekhaba?
Chakras, you can type chakra.
Buti yini mekhaba?
There's 7 basic chakras, 13, and moving on, there are infinite chakras within our bodies. So these 7 basic chakras, ile color rainbow. My color is 7. The 7 colors, we're talking about actually your body, which consists of 7 basic chakras, which we must know about. But do not open chakras. Pineal gland in Nana. You don't open shit. These things open naturally. That's why they say life starts at the age of 40. At the age of 40, most people start opening their third eye. Meditation. You are welcoming demons into your system. Because of for starters, awukafundi even nama tricks ukuthi if ivulekile leyo nto kunezinto ezingenayo how to defend against that, you see. So it's deep knowledge. Unfortunately, it's short time. I wish TikTok ingayenza noma kungaba ama 15 minutes videos at least.
Ngikushaya nge 3 minutes mayichubeka.
Yeah, 3 minutes is good, yathola. Yeah, ukuthi at least sizame cover up okuningi, yabona.